In this video, we will solve a word problem of quadratic equation. The problem is an express train makes a run of 240 km at a certain speed. Another train whose speed is 12 km per hour less takes an hour longer to make the same trip. Find the speed of the express train. So to solve this question, means this type of speed distance related problem, first we need to make a table like distance, speed and time. First train is covering 240 km. The speed is not given, that's why we are taking the speed as x km per hour. So the time taken by the express train to cover 240 km, that will be 240 by x. Now I am going to the next line. On the next line it is given that another train, that is second train whose speed is 12 km less, that means the speed will be x minus 12, and the second train also covering the same distance, that's 240. So the time will be, time taken by the second train will be x minus 12. Now move to the next sentence. It takes an hour longer. This term longer, that means the difference between two times, this two time will be 1 hour. So before writing the equation, please check which one is the greater time. Here this one is the greater time, as the speed is less, so it will take the greater time. That means our equation will be 240 by x minus 12 minus 240 by x equal to 1 hour. Now if we simplify this equation, we will get x into x minus 12, and the numerator will be 240x minus 240x minus 12 into 240, sorry, that will be plus 12 into 240 is equal to 1. Now 240 and 240x and 240x will be cancelled out. That means our equation will be, now if we multiply 12 into 240, that will give us 2880 by x square minus 12 equal to 1. So our equation x square minus 12 x minus 2880 equal to 0. This one is the first part of this equation of this problem. So in this problem, two parts are there. First part is to construct the equation, and second part is solve this equation. So if you make this table, the problem will be easier to construct the equation. Otherwise, if you read the whole problem at a time, you will face a problem to construct the equation, this type of equation. So I'll request the students to read part by part of this question to construct the equation, such as two trains are there, both are covering the same distance, 240 with the speed. First one, the speed is not mentioned, so I'm taking the speed as x, and second, the speed is less than 12 less, that means the speed will be x minus 12. So from there, before moving the further sentence, first from this data calculate the time taken by the two trains, then move to read the further the sentence. The second train takes an hour longer. This stands for minus, this term stands for minus, that means the subtraction between two times will be equal to 1. I hope you have understood how to construct the equation. Now the second part. So our equation is x square minus 12x minus 2880 equal to 0. Maximum students face the problem to solve the equation, and to solve the equation they will apply the Pythagoras Siddharacharya formula. That will be time taken. You will never be able to manage the time if you use Siddharacharya formula. So here the shortcut method. The method is, listen carefully, the coefficient of x and this constant we have to factorize simultaneously. The rule of the factorization is, if you take first is 2, then you have to factorize this constant term 2 times by this 2, two times. First I am taking by 2, that will be 440. Second time I am taking that will be 720, and it will be x6. Again I am taking, this will be 3, as now 2 I have taken 2, so 2 times 2, 36, 0, and again we have to take by 2, it will be 18. Now I am taking by 3, it's 1, it is 1. Now I am taking by 3 twice, 6, 20. Now here the remainder is 1, here the remainder is 20. Now factorize this one by the factors of 20. Factorize this one by, match this one by the factors from 20. So 1 will be 5 into 4. So if we take this factor, the subtraction between 2 will be 1. So our factors here, our factors are 5 and 4. From there, to get our factors of this equation, multiply this numbers with these factors. Here 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So multiply 12 with the factors of 20 to get our factors. Here 60 and here will be 48. So now easily you have got the factors of our equations. 60 minus 48, that will give you 12. Now easily you have got the factor of this equation. I hope all of you have understood. So our equation is x square minus 12x minus 288 0 equal to 0. Now as we have got the factors, so we are writing the factors 60 plus 48x minus 2880 equal to 0. Now factorize this, you will easily get the factors x plus 48. So x equal to 60 and x equal to minus 48. That will be rejected because speed cannot be negative. So our answer is 60. So speed of our express 10 is 50. Therefore speed of express 10 is 60 km per hour. I hope all of you have understood how to solve this type of quadratic equation and how easily you will get the factors. Thank you.